Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 polynomials. In that one of the important topic, that is graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. Graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. Now I am going to explain this concept taking one example. Consider a quadratic polynomial that is p of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. What is the polynomial, right? P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So how to find the zeros by using graph? Okay, now. So first of all, it is better to find the zeros of a polynomial in finding factor method. So see it's now I taken p of x is equals to, that is x square minus x minus 12. I want zeros, that's why p of x is equals to 0. Then that is x square minus x minus 12, that is equals to 0. Because of p of x means that is x square minus x minus 12. Okay. So by splitting the middle term, that is x square into minus 12, that is equals to minus 12 x square. What are the factors of 12? Their sum should be a minus 1x, their product should be a minus 12x square. So what are the possible factors of 12? So I am taking here 3 4s are 12. Clearly 3 and 4 are factors of a 12. If you add the two factors, the sum of the two factors is minus 1x and the product of the two factors, that is minus 12x square. That's why what I am doing here, you observe carefully, that is 3x plus minus 4x. 3x plus minus 4x. The sum of two factors, that is equals to minus 1x. Minus 1x, that is nothing but simply minus x. And the product of the two factors, that is 3x into minus 4x. That is 3 4s are minus 12. X into x, that is x square. So clearly the product is minus 12x square and their sum is equals to minus x. Now what I am doing, in the place of x square, in the place of x, I am going to write, that is x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. Ante in the place of x we write that is 3x plus of minus 4x means that is minus 4x. Now first and second term, you just observe these two terms, which is common in this, x is common, that's why I just want to take out the common. ఇక్కడ ఎక్సెస్ వచ్చేసి 2 ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందులో ఒక x కామన్ వెళ్ళిపోతే 1x is there, plus here already x is taken common, that's why 3 is there. Again you multiply x into x, that is x square, plus x into 3, that is 3x. The next two terms, which is common, here is x but there is no x, here 4, here 12. Okay now, so 4 is common in these two. That's why if you take out minus 4 common, that is x plus 3, that is equals to 0. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x, minus of plus, that is minus 4 3s are 12, minus 12. So clearly in a bracket we get x plus 3, x plus 3. This is a one of the factor of the polynomial, that is x plus 3, and here x is there, here minus 4 is there. This is x minus 4. This is one of the factor, that is equals to 0. Now separately I am going to equate into 0. That is x plus 3 is equals to 0, x minus 4 is equals to 0. If we transpose x to RHS side, that is x is equals to minus 3, and minus 4 transposing to RHS side, x is equals to 4. Clearly minus 3 comma 4, therefore minus 3 comma 4 are the zeros of a polynomial p of x is equals to, that is x square minus x minus 2. Okay na? So clearly we know what are the, it's a quadratic polynomial, that's why it has two zeros. Okay na? So these are the zeros, and clearly the curve touches the x-axis at minus 3 and 4. Clearly we know that. So now let us go to the purpose of shape. Manaki curve shape ravali ante by this method we get only two zeros. Okay, two zeros we get. But if you want a curve shape, we have to find some points. That's why what I am taking here, see now, it is better to write the table first. The value of x and y is equals to x square minus x minus 12, the required point x comma y. So this is the required table now. You have to make like this only. So middle 0, and the right side positive numbers you take 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You take like this, because of clearly we know now zeros. What are the zeros? We know zeros are 3, minus 3, 4. These are the required. That's why positive 4 తీసుకున్నా, negative up to I taken 3. The required equation y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. In the place of x, I am going to substitute 0. Then what happened? So if x is equals to 0, then what happens? See. Now y is equals to x square means that is 0 square minus x means that is 0 minus 12. 0 square means that is 0 only. 0 minus 0 minus 12, that is equals to minus 12 only. Okay now. So if we substitute x value is 0 in this place, a real number x is equals to 0, in the place of x we get the value of y is minus 12. The required points are 0 comma minus 12. Okay. Next, if I substitute in the place of x 1, then what we get the value of y? That is y is equals to 1 square minus of 1 minus 12. 1 whole square means that is 1 only, minus 1 minus 12. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. The value of y is equals to minus 12 only. So the required points are 1 comma minus 12. And if I substitute in the place of x 2, then what happened? Y is equals to 2 square minus 2 minus 12. That is 2 square means 4 minus 2 minus 12. Now clearly 4 minus 2 minus 12 both are having same sign, like signs. Minus 2 minus 12, that is minus 14. So 4 minus 14 means that is minus 10. The value of x is equals to, if you take 2, we get the value of y is minus 10. x is equals 2 means y is equals to, we get 10, that is 2 comma minus 10. And same, if x is equals to 3, then what happened? If x is equals to 3, then what happened? Then y is equals to, in the place of x you substitute 3, that is 3 square minus 3 minus 12. 3 square means that is 9 minus 3 minus 12. Now 9 minus 3 minus 12 means 9 అంటే 9 రాసాను as usual గా. minus 3 minus 12, that is minus 15. Now 9 minus 15 means we get that is minus 6. The value of x is 3, we get that is minus 6, that is 3 comma minus 6. These are the required points. And like that only, you take the value of x is equals to 4, y is equals to, that is 4 square minus 4 minus 12. 4 square means that is 16 minus 4 minus 12, that is 16 minus 4 minus 12 means that is minus 16. 16 minus 16, that is 0. Okay, now if we substitute in the place of x 4, the value of a polynomial is becomes 0. That's why we can say that 4 is a 0 of a polynomial. So like this I take it this side, and another side taking negative values. If x is equals to minus 1, I am taking in the place of x minus 1, then what happened? Y is equals to x square means that is minus 1 square, minus already is there, x means I take in minus 1 minus 12, minus 1 whole square means that is 1 only, because of it is a negative but power is even. Minus of minus plus 1 minus 12. 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. If I take x value is minus 1, I get y value is what? That is minus 10. So I get clearly that is minus 1 comma minus 10. Okay. Now again I am taking x is equals to next to negative number only, minus 2. The value of y is equals to, in the place of x minus 2 substitute cheyandi. Minus 2 square, already minus is there, x means minus 2 minus 12. Minus 2 whole square means that is 4, minus of minus, that is plus 2 minus 12. 4 plus 2, that is 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12, that is equals to minus 6 only. So if we substitute in the place of x minus 2, we get the value of y is equals to minus 6. So the required points are minus 2 comma minus 6, x and y values. And if we substitute in the place of x, that is minus 3, the value of y is equals to minus 3 square minus of minus 3 minus 12. Okay, then minus 3 square means that is 9, minus of minus plus 3 minus 12. 9 plus 3 means that is 12 minus 12. So we get 0. So the value we get 0. The required points are minus 3 comma 0. So clearly this is the procedure, students. Okay na, ila manam points nu find out chesukovalsi untadi. There is no another short way. Okay na, we can take a polynomial p of x is equals to, actually this is the polynomial, but if we want the x and y values, you can take y is equals to, that is x square minus x minus 12. This is a quadratic equation, quadratic function. This is a quadratic function. Okay, so in the place of x you can substitute the different values, positive values, negative values, ila find out cheste manaki clear ga x and y values vastayi. Okay na, so just now first of all I find out by splitting the middle term, I find out the zeros of a polynomial. That's why ikkada nenu -3 tho stop ayya. Here I stopped at 4 only. Maybe the roots are not -3, 4 means we can go to the next another, we can substitute another real numbers also. Okay na? So you just make it as a table carefully. Now we should plot these points on the graph. Okay. Okay students, so I just plot the points here. What we get now? If you take x value is 0 and y value is
మబ్బులోన వాన విల్లులా మట్టిలోన నీటి జల్లులా గుండెలోన ప్రేమ ముల్లులా
okay na, x value is 0, on the x axis is 0, the y value is -12, and x value is 1 and the y value is also -12 only, and x value is 2, the y value is -10. Okay, downwards 0 to y dash. Here the x value is 3, the y value is -6, and x value is 4, the y value is 0. Okay na? So and like that only x value is -1, y value is -12. The required points -1 comma -12. X value is -2, the value of y is -6, that is -2 comma -6. X value is -3, the value that is becomes 0 only. So you just with your free hand you just join these points, you will get a curve like this. So where the points touches the x-axis, it touches at -3 and it touches at 4. So these two are the zeros of a polynomial. What I take in scale, ikkada nenu scale em తీసుకున్నా, scale on x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit only. Okay na? So this is y is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So this is the graph of the particular polynomial. It touches the x-axis at -3 and 4. So these are the zeros of a polynomial. This is the shape of a curve. Okay na? Maybe we will get the figure like this, or we will get like this, or in this shape. Maybe if 2 zeros we will get in quadrant 1. In quadrant 2 we will get 1 is positive, okay na, 1 is negative, like that. Itla minus unte ila both sides are this side. So this is the required answer for this question. Thank you.